What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, I had a part 1 to this video where I showed you guys exactly step by step how I made my Ayurvedic Overnight Clay Mask. I have allowed it to sit for 24 hours. This is now part 2, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply this. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the plastic wrap or the plastic baggies and see what it looks like. We're hoping that some of the dye extracted and I can smell it through the plastic bag. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and I'll show you guys in a little bit. Wow, guys, look at my goo. This is the Ayurvedic Clay Mask. This is how it looks. It's all nice and wiggly in there. I'm going to just go ahead and dig my fingers in there and show you guys how it looks. Can you see the color? Wow, this is crazy. So all that color on top, that means that it allowed to sit for 24 hours and all of the powders like pretty much marinated together, and it's ready to use. The color's darker. There's your goo. Look at this, guys. I do have some butterfly clips that I'll be using to just section off my hair, and I'll go ahead and put some music on so you guys can watch how I do this. Look at my hands. Oh my goodness, I'm ready to get this in my hair.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. About to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You want it honest. Giving you my hand.
Look at me. Look, I used it all. This is the last little bit. Let's put it right on there. So this is what it looks like, and guess what we have to do? Let it sit. I used the rest of this. Oh my gosh, look. And then we're gonna wipe my hands off, put a plastic cap on it. I'm going to bed. Let this sit under a plastic cap all night while I catch some Z's. I'll wash it out in the morning, and then I'll come back for the styling process. This is what I have laying around, so this is what we're gonna use. Let's see. I don't know where. Just put this right here for me. Alright. I also have a long tube sock that I'll put on my head. I have to go find it, but I have a long tube sock that I'll wrap right here, so if anything tries to leak out, the tube sock will catch it. That's how we're looking. I will catch you guys in the morning. Deuces. What's up, guys? So I'm back from the shower, and I'm going to show you guys what I used. I rinsed out all of the clay in the shower. Each side probably took about 10 minutes to wash out because you really want to make sure that it's all out of your hair. And then I went in with some shampoo. The clay did cleanse my hair, but I wanted to make sure it was all out of my scalp and all out of my hair, so I just went in with a few pumps of shampoo one time because it was already clean. I did use the Carol Stolter sulfate-free shampoo. After I shampooed my hair, I did go in with the lovely Melanin Hair Care. Now, this is used in 7 ways. It's a conditioner like no other, as she says in the back. I use this just as a regular conditioner to follow it with my shampoo, and I let it sit on my hair for maybe like 10 minutes while I wash my body. So I went in with this as well. Guys, I did a full review on this product, so at the end of this video, I'll have a link that you can click on to go watch it, because this, you don't want to miss this video. It was awesome. Alright, so now for the main event. I went in with a leave-in conditioner. I got this package in the mail. I did purchase it. And it is all natural, baby. I actually did a casting call with this company because they are based in my hometown, their headquarters. I wasn't selected, unfortunately, but I do hope that there's more opportunities for me to try casting calls because I never did them before. But this is everything that came in the package. So it does come with a flaxseed plus yogurt gel. I saw this first on Curly Guy 13. It's that boy. So Curly Guy 13 is, I think he's an ambassador of this brand, and he did a really awesome job reviewing it to where I wanted to purchase the product as well. If you guys have tried this brand, please let me know how you like it. This is the Extreme Hold Curl Defining Flaxseed Gel plus Yogurt. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to use this product. I did go in the shower already with their leave-in conditioner. It's the Nourishing Avocado. Guys, this worked really well for my hair, and I did not need to use a lot at all. That was pretty sweet. And then it also comes with a pure oil and a flaxseed gel edge control for 24 hours. So we'll be using these products as well. Last but not least, it did have a Happy Black History Month card in here. I love me some little plaque cards. And this is the owner right here. And I love that the background is my hometown. That makes me so happy. Philadelphia. Now we're going to get into the styling process. I'm going to go ahead and take down my hair for you guys. And I'm not even going to allow you to guess what I'm doing. I'm just going to tell you. I'm going to go ahead and attempt a wash and go. I cannot do wash and goes. It doesn't work for my hair. My hair is transitioned. I just cannot do them. My hair doesn't like it. I work best with twist outs or any type of rod set. So here's my hair fresh out the shower. Too much curl definition. Let's just part the hair on this side. Take this in the back section right here, and we get started wash and go. This contains aloe vera juice, so I am just going to wet the section a little bit because you do, even though it just came out the towel, I want to have soaking wet hair before I apply anything. Okay, so here's how it's coming out. Definitely looks like snot. It doesn't have a strong smell. The smell is, it's quite pleasant to me. I did a prickly pear paradise review. I went in with another one, and I didn't like it. And I tried to do a wash and go, and it didn't work out, so I switched it up in the middle of the video and wound up doing a twist out. So you guys can also go see that at the end of this video if you have not already.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Sun's about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Doing tonight. It's everything I can't think of.
Alright guys, this is it. This is the final and last look. This is my wash and go. I'm still trying to master it, so do not be too harsh to judge. OMG, this oil is amazing. This is pure avocado oil. Pure. I already applied it to my hair, but I can kind of show you guys exactly how it comes out. Pure avocado oil. This stuff is really cool. So I kind of just rubbed it all into my hair. I already did this, but for demonstration purposes, I already rubbed it all into my hair. I am loving the volume that I have got. Wow, I have a lot of hair, and it is all thanks to my Ayurvedic Clay Mask. I use Brahmi, Shakakai, Aretha, Neem, and Alma. And then I have all these wonderful products from All Natural. I love them so much. I really enjoyed these products right here. I have no complaints. I would love to use this again. Well, I would say my only complaint that I used like most of it, maybe half, and I only used it once. I highly recommend you guys go out and try All Natural. It is a black owned business. It is based in Philadelphia. The headquarters is right here in my hometown. How exciting is that? Guys, thank you again for just supporting me, supporting my journey. If you have not already, please subscribe to As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.